Elasticity, resilience and multicolor of granule surfaces have changed the technical standards and image of sports facilities. The comfort and safety of practicing many sports disciplines have improved. Unirubber offers high-quality colorful granules, EPDM, and recycled granules, EPDM and SPR. Unirubber Pro Sports program is based on the cooperation with designers and companies building professional sports surfaces, among others those of Cairo Stadium. The surfaces are resistant to abrasion and negative effects of the atmospheric conditions and ultraviolet radiation. Elastic running tracks help in the fluidity of motion dynamics. They also possess diversified anti-slip properties. On the hardened base, the subsequent layers are applied. The substructure from recycled rubber granules responsible for elasticity and the surface layer made of colorful EPDM virgin granules. The contractors apply various realization techniques. The surface bound with adhesives is easy to maintain and improves the aesthetics of facilities. EPDM B1 granules designed for sports halls possess high parameters and are distinguished by advanced inflammable properties. The surfaces of indoor facilities can now fulfill the same technical requirements as those in the open air. The structure and construction of surfaces filled with artificial turf allow easy drainage of water from the football pitches. Artificial grass is also installed on golf courses. The springy substructure is made of recycled granules. For filling artificial turf, Unirubber recommends EPDM, which does not warm up, the color does not stain, and it possesses neutral smell. The infill made of granules improves the elasticity of the surface and its anti-slip properties, as well as stabilizes the setting of the grass fibers. Education and leisure are the widest segments of the market. Unirubber participates in various enterprises promoting sports activities. In Poland, thanks to the program My Playground Orlik 2012, modern sports infrastructure is created. Running tracks, multifunctional sports fields and football pitches are also rendered accessible for recreational purposes. Within the framework of Happy School program, modern playgrounds for children are created, for which Unirubber produces granules in individually indicated colors. At the high level of usage or damage of the surface, Unirubber provides services with demanded granules. Designing children's playgrounds, designers use the full range of 24 colors, color compositions, as well as granules of individually chosen hues. Fantasy, multicolored projects are not only eye-catching, but also have to conform to rigorous requirements determined by norms. In the fall-prone areas, the thickness of the shock absorption layer appropriately increases. The excellent quality of the EPDM ensures the surface anti-slip parameters and facilitates in the upkeeping of its aesthetic looks. Pouring technology of the substance guarantees leak tightness around the appliances, in between colors and areas of different resilience, and allows in the composition of the surface in hilly terrain. More and more frequently, very diverse types of spatial projects are designed. In order to accomplish a surface from the granules on very small areas, very simple technical equipment is required. Nevertheless, experience and precision are essential. Applied inside buildings, inflammable granules EPDM B1 guarantee the same safety standards as traditional materials. Apart from sports facilities, it is applied in the arrangement of playrooms for children, indoor swimming pools, covered market and exhibition halls and hospitals, as well as on the floors in offices and hotels. Standard EPDM virgin also finds its applications as an element of outdoor decoration. Unirubber granules possess the required certifications of Polish and international research institutions. In order to guarantee the highest quality of granules formed from the EPDM rubber mixture composition, precision in checking all the parameters during all the stages of production is essential. Our laboratories test and control every successive sample of material. All the components of the mixture are prepared in precisely weighed portions. During the mechanical treatment under the influence of high temperature, chemical reaction takes place between the components of the mixture. The mass obtained is guided to rollers and cut into sheets. After cooling down, the material is vulcanized. Unirubber possesses an autoclave of large capacity, which allows to prepare homogeneous product batches under exactly the same conditions. The mixture can be stored in this form and is ready for the granulation process. Granulators crumble material, which, after dedusting, is divided into fractions, that is, groups of predetermined size of granules. Unirubber implements orders in fractions at discretion. Granules are packed in 25-kilo bags and on pallets prepared for delivery. Granules of choice are packed in 1-ton bags of big bag type. The quality of recycled granules depends upon the careful selection of waste. All EPDM waste must have documented origin. Waste rubber is divided according to types and free from contamination. Waste rubber is granulated, very precisely dedusted, divided into fractions and further packed in big bags. The advantage is the pro-ecological aspect of this production. Ready granules wait for loading and delivery on the site and in warehouses. The market success of the Unirubber company is the joint effect of the work of the whole staff. We ensure that the customers obtain detailed information in the form of printed brochures and electronic materials, films and sample sets of granules. Dispatching of granules is the last phase of the accomplishment of the order and the beginning of long-term cooperation. Unirubber granules have been appreciated for many years on the Polish market and meet the demands of various climatic zones in Europe, Asia, Africa and America. We invite you to cooperate with us.